How to set up a sudden braking alert on app. Want to get real-time alerts every time your vehicle brakes suddenly? You can do that by setting up a sudden braking alert for your vehicle inside the LocoNav platform on mobile or web. To set up a sudden braking alert, you must first have a wired GPS tracker or OBD device installed in your vehicle, along with an active subscription to the LocoNav Fleet and Asset Management System. Let's log into LocoNav Fleet and Asset Management System and get started. Tap on More from the top navigation menu and select Alerts. A dashboard will appear with all alerts available on the platform. Tap on Subscriptions and then tap on the Set Alert button. You can find it on the bottom right of your screen in the shape of a plus sign. Use the search bar on the top to search for the sudden braking alert. Tap on Sudden Braking Alert from the search results. Now select sub-user name and vehicle group name from the drop-down menus to limit alerts for specific users and vehicles. Then choose the vehicles for which you want to create the selected sudden braking alert in the form of real-time notifications. Enter the minimum speed value in metric units, that is kilometers per hour, for the chosen vehicle. For example, I am limiting the speed to 20 kilometers per hour. Further, enter the minimum acceleration in meters per second square for considering sudden braking. This will send you alerts only if the vehicle is going over the minimum speed and minimum acceleration limit. Tap on Continue. You can choose to have these notifications come to you on the mobile app, web, or email. Tap Create Subscription to save the alert settings. This way you can set up as many sudden braking alerts as you like for each of your vehicles. To learn more about LocoNav's Fleet and Asset Management System, write to us at hi@loconav.com.